learn with me. In this video, we'll be going through how to connect your QGIS to your GeoDjango instead of installing the GDAL, GEOS, and then the PROJ.4 separately. The reason we are doing that is installing those drivers, the GDAL, the GEOS, and then the PROJ.4 separately on Windows can be very, very difficult. And so in order to circumvent going through that stress, we are going to use QGIS, because QGIS already, when you install QGIS on your machine, it comes with those drivers installed for you. So we are going to go through how to connect your QGIS to your GeoDjango project. We're going to go through how to connect your QGIS to your GeoDjango project. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you to install PostGIS. You can write it on the comment below, and then I'll do a new tutorials on how to install Postgres on your machine. Okay, so I'll go on assuming that you've already installed it on your machine. You've already created your database, and I also assume that you already have QGIS installed on your machine. If you don't have QGIS installed on your machine, you can write it down on the comment section, and then I'll create a new tutorial on how to install QGIS, right? And also what I've also done is, so this is my database shops, right? I've connected it to I've already connected to my QGIS project. So here's the shops connected. If you can't do that, you know what to do. In the comment section, let me know, and I'll create a short tutorials on how to do that. Right. The main reason I created this particular tutorial is to show you how to connect your QGIS to your GeoDjango database. Okay, so in the beginning I tried connecting. This was the error I was getting. I was getting this sort of error telling me that I don't have the GDAL in my path, right? So what I did was, there are two things I did, right? The first thing I did was I added the GDAL in my QGIS to my system environment. So I came here, and then the system. Okay, so you come to environment variables, and then as you can see, I've already created my environment variables. Right, but what you can do is you can add. So here you do it, GDAL underscores data here, and then to this you browse to your directory to where you installed. So you browse where you installed your QGIS or your system or your C drive, and then in the QGIS folder you look for share, then you look for GDAL, the GDAL folder. After you've done that, you click OK, and OK, and that'll be all. Right. So after you've done that, all you need to do in your settings, your Django project, go to your settings, and then you put in this path in your settings. So the GDAL path, the first, it's my program files in the QGIS folder in the bin, and then the GDAL 24. Do the same for this and do the same for that. When you save, after you are done with this, if you run Python manage.py make migrations, it will make the migrations for you. That's it for today. This is my first tutorial on this channel, and I hope you follow me along as I learn more. Thank you.